Ayan. So we will share a screen. And I really hope you'll be able to appreciate this. And sabi ko nga sa mga unit managers, I hope na itong approach na to ma-embrace ng mga UM and maintindihan ng lahat para sa sobrang excited, yun na yung ituturo rin nila sa mga agents nila na paparating, sa existing tsaka sa mga paparating. Kasi again, as I mentioned in the past, sa sobrang ganda ng Health Invest and how we position it, or how we at least embrace it, parang yun na talaga yung major product na pinapupush sa lahat eh. Kasi madaling maintindihan, tapos ang dami ng laman, comprehensive na. So doon pa lang sulit na. And then, tsaka na lang maghahanap ng ibang plan kung hindi talaga yun ang mag-fit sa budget. So I think A+ Signature has the potential to be like that, to be our primary offer. So let's talk about A+ Signature as your comprehensive financial plan in one plan. All right? Paano natin gagawin yun na magiging comprehensive siya. In fact, ganun na talaga siya. Gusto ko lang tignan nyo siya on a different light. Alright? So, ang original positioning ni A+ Signature, it's a limited pay endowment. Tama? Meron kang guaranteed cash payout every 2 years hanggang age 100. Meron kang guaranteed 200% life insurance coverage. Tapos, guaranteed yung payment period. So basically, we're saying, okay, kaysa mag-VUL ka na not guaranteed, ito, guaranteed na siya. And it was like that for the past 1.5 years. Alright? Tama na ganun yung positioning niya. Pero of course, na-notice nyo na meron din siyang client, meron siyang market na hindi niya na-appreciate yun. Napakaganda ng product na to, pero hindi pa rin na-appreciate siya ng ibang market. Diba? Some people would say, bakit hindi every year yung payout? Some people would say, maliit yung payout. And a lot of people would say, hey, gusto ko ako makikinabang ng pera, hindi yung mga anak ko or apo ko, di ba? So, hindi para sa kanila yung A+ Signature because of that. And then, nilabas si Ascend. So, si Ascend, yung sasagot dun sa mga taong para sa kanila. Pero, may nangyari nung November, no, na subtly, um, parang sinasabi, iba na yung positioning ni A+ Signature. Yun ay nung nilagyan ng critical illness rider, pati nga nung enhanced medical benefit rider, which you can also add. Diba? Si A+ Signature, magugulat ka. Nilagyan bigla ng ganun, out of nowhere, endowment plan siya. Alam mo yon, ang purpose mo, yung payout, yun ang gusto mong tignan. Tapos nilagyan mo ng insurance and mga riders na pang protection. So, nag-iba yung muka. So, initially, sabi ko, why? And then eventually, I realized, pwedeng ganito yung maging bagong positioning. So, our new positioning for A+ Signature is it's a comprehensive insurance plan plus smart savings program. Alright? So technically, dun sa mga matatagal na, katulad namin, nila Karin, nila Neil, no, basta pre-pandemic, no, nila Gerald, nila Crazy, si Health Invest, comprehensive insurance plan, ang dami niya, may life, may critical illness, may accident insurance, may DHI, daily hospital income, and then may investment ka na probably after 10 or 15 years, just in case gusto mong withdrawin yung pera mo, gagamitin mo for other purpose. Kaya siya, kanyari, pwedeng gamitin for education. No, pwede mong withdrawin. You have that option to withdraw, although hindi talaga yun ang positioning niya or ang purpose niya. Pero at least, pwede mo siyang withdrawin. So because of that positioning, I believe Health Invest became attractive. Basta benta mo siya ng tama, walang buyer's remorse. That's one. Number two, at least pwede mo siyang kumbaga, yung commitment nung client, makapapakinabangan ko pala yung pera ko, hindi siya up to age 100 as para sa ibang tao lang. And I think a lot of people like that. Pangalawa, na-realize ko nung umattend ako ng training ni Najo Berba like a few months ago, binanggit niya, may isa siyang binanggit na tumatak sa isip ko. Sabi niya, ano yung median age ng Philippines? Alright? And again, ang answer doon, 24 years old. So, yun ang market nyo, yung 24 years old. For the next 10 years, 20 years, yung 24 years old, yun yung market mo at magiging market nyo. Sinasabi nyo yan about recruitment. Pero in reality, ganun din sa client, sa products. So meaning, the 24 years old are not that responsible yet. Diba? Hindi yun ang iniisip nila. No? So of course, may mga ilan. No? But the majority of the population, again, pag-uusapan natin paano dadami yung benta. No? So of course, may mga VIP clients na kaya nating posisyonan ito talaga for that. Pero the majority of the population would probably realize gusto nila yung perang sinisave nila para sa kanila rin ang balik. Diba? So now comes the new positioning. Insurance siya, bili ka ng insurance mo, pero may balik sa'yo. So now, that every 2 years na marireceive mo will become a feature and a bonus rather than the main feature of the product. So hence, ito yung shinare ko na table no, dun sa group chat natin. What if ganito yung positioning ko? Alright? No? So type in the chat box kung familiar yung ganito, di ba? Na, ito yung life insurance mo. Meron kang, yung A+ signature, meron kang life insurance, 200% of the face amount. Tapos, bukod dun sa life insurance, covered ka ng total and permanent disability. Aside from that, may personal accident insurance ka. Bukod doon, covered ka ng 10 major illnesses up to age 75. Covered ka ng critical illness. Bukod doon, meron kang enhanced waiver premium in case of total and permanent disability and critical illness. In case of diagnosis of a covered critical illness, mawi-waive na yung premium mo. Si AIA na yung magbabayad ng future premiums mo. Tuloy pa rin yung mga benefits mo at pag-grow ng funds mo. Tapos yung payouts tuloy-tuloy pa rin. So very comprehensive yung protection na meron ka. Aside from that, you're actually saving for the long term. Right? You're saving for the long term. It's a smart savings program. Bakit? 10% of the face amount. Kung ang face amount mo is 250,000, so 25,000 yun. It will be a guaranteed cash payout. Magsisimula yung payout at the end of year 6. Hindi ka pa tapos magbayad, nakaka-receive ka na ng cash. 25,000 every 2 years up to age 100 yun. So kung 24 ka ngayon, at age 30, makakasimula ka ng payout. Magsisimula ka na makareceive ng payout. 25,000 every 2 years hanggang age 100. Imagine kung saan mo pwedeng gamitin yung pera na yun. You can use that for whatever purpose that you can while kino-cover mo. You're being responsible in terms of may life insurance ka, may TPD ka, may personal accident ka, may critical illness coverage ka. So covered just in case something happens, pero habang nangyayari yun, may natatanggap ka pabalik as the owner or of the insured. Bukod doon, meron pa tayong part of the benefit, lump sum maturity cash benefit at age 100. Or in case of untimely death, mapupunta yun sa family mo. Magkano? 200% of the face amount. Diba? So kung 250K, 500,000 goes to your family. So parang nagsisave ka and anything happens, it goes to your family. And then, there's a non-guaranteed dividend that can be accumulated, iwan mo lang dyan, nag-i-interest siya on its own, na you can use during your retirement. No, let's say at age 60 or 65, you can withdraw for your retirement. Right? So, what if ganun ang positioning sa A+ signature? Can you type in the chat box before I go to the next slide? Can you type in the chat box, what if ganun ang positioning ng A+ signature? Ano yung